hey! Welcome to Rockstar Massage. I'm your host, Leia Lockheart. Welcome to Skinny Secrets, Part 1. As massage therapists, we develop intimate relationships with our clients, and sometimes they might tell us about their frustrations with weight loss. Here are a bunch of tips and tricks that you can share with your client in order to head them in the right direction. I am a former chubby girl. I've had so many ups and downs in my weight loss journey, and I'm finally in a place where I'm sustaining a weight loss, and I have so many tips and tricks to share with all of you, the things I've actually experienced, and also all the things that I've observed and learned from other skinny girls. And because I have so many tips and tricks, today we'll be only talking about liquids, not including protein shakes. The first tip is to drink water. Duh, Leia, we all know that. I know, but let me tell you why it's helpful in weight loss. If you don't drink enough water, your body will actually retain water. Ironic. If your body has enough water regularly, it will release the water. Secondly, you will eat thinking that you're hungry, but actually you're thirsty. Thirdly, water fills up your stomach so you feel more full and you will eat less food. At the minimum, drink half an ounce for every pound you weigh. Or take your weight and divide it by 2, and that's how many ounces you should drink per day. You can also choose to drink 1 ounce per pound, which is just your weight in ounces. And here's a water trick. Get a very large water canteen that's insulated that will keep ice cold. This is 40 ounces, 2 of these is 80 ounces, and that's enough for my body weight per day. This is your new best friend. Apple cider vinegar with the mother. Organic, raw, unfiltered, and unpasteurized. Dilute 1 teaspoon with 8 ounces of water as a drink. Apple cider vinegar with mother is found to improve insulin resistance, which is a great aid in type 2 diabetes. A study found when 2 tablespoons with water are taken along with a usual high-carb meal, it reduces the blood sugar and insulin as much as 34%. It also lowers cholesterol, relieves heartburn, boosts immunity, improves your energy levels. It's also antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral. With the mother is a prebiotic, which is great for gut health. Pro tip: if you have a sugar or carb craving, drink the apple cider vinegar drink before, and it will curb your cravings for the sugar and the carbs. And if you do eat the sugar and the carbs, hopefully you'll eat less. It will also keep the insulin from spiking. Bragg creates an apple cider vinegar drink that's ready to go. And it does have a little bit of sugar in it, 9 grams of sugar and 35 calories. But also you can make it at home and take it to go. Extra pro tip, if you have gas bubbles, drink the apple cider vinegar drink and it will pop all the bubbles and de-bloat you. If it's a challenge for you to carry around a bunch of liquid vinegar, they also have it in tablet form. Get the tablets, do not get the gummies. Lemon water has similar benefits of apple cider vinegar drinks for weight loss. It also helps the liver to produce more bile to aid in digestion of fat. Coffee is a natural stimulant to get your body moving and perhaps exercise. Coffee lowers the risk of type 2 diabetes and reduces the risk of depression. If you like your coffee sweet and creamy like I do, to your black coffee you can either add milk or an alternative nut milk that is unsweetened, and these are only 35 calories per serving. I like using monk fruit sweetener as 0 net carbs, 0 glycemic, 0 calorie, and it's keto friendly. Monk fruit sugar is metabolized differently, thereby reducing caloric intake. It doesn't affect sugar levels and is anti-inflammatory. Another popular sugar substitute is stevia. There are also a bunch of alternatives to drink, like black tea, green tea, with or without caffeine, herbal tea, chai tea, hot or cold. And if you want it creamy and sweet, put these in. Also super popular right now are these different flavors of club soda with 0 sugar in them and 0 calories. Do not get the club sodas with the fake synthetic sugars in them. They are carcinogens. Also, to these flavored 0 calorie, 0 sugar club sodas, add this monk fruit sweetener if you want it to taste like a sweet sugar soda. Those are all the things that you can drink. Here are the things that you do not drink. Fruit juice, soda pop, diet soda, or alcohol. The real problem with alcohol is that when you're on a weight loss plan, alcohol stops your fat burning mode. The liver is a central component in fat metabolism. When you drink alcohol, your liver is busy metabolizing the alcohol in your body and will put you out of fat burning mode for 2 to 4 days. Alcohol also lessens your willpower and can cause the munchies and you to overeat. If you drink way too much alcohol, then the next day you feel horrible, you're not burning fat, you want to eat something heavy and greasy to soak up the alcohol. It's just bad news all around. It just puts a full stop and also backtracks you on your weight loss plan. We thank you so much for watching this episode of Rockstar Massage, and look out for part 2.